What is the main function of the human skeleton? Number A. Storage of fat. Number B. Protection of internal organs. Production of blood cells. Number D. Digestion. The correct answer is B. Protection of internal organs. Explanation. The human skeleton primarily serves to protect internal organs such as the heart, lungs and brain. Which bones makes up the forehead and the roof of the eye sockets? Options A, B, C, D. Correct answer is C, frontal bone. Explanation. The frontal bone forms the forehead and the roof of the eye sockets. The thigh bone is also known as option number A, B, C and D. The correct answer is D, femur bone. Femur bone is the thigh bone. Explanation. The thigh bone is the femur, the longest bone in the human body. How many bones are there in the adult human body? Option A, B, C and D. Correct answer is A, 206 bones in the human body. Explanation. An adult human typically has 206 bones in their body. The bones in the finger and toes are called option A, B, C and D. The correct answer is option C, phalanges. Phalanges is called finger and toe bones. Explanation. The bones in the fingers and toes are known as phalanges. Which bone is commonly referred to as the shin bone? Option A, B, C and D. The correct answer is option B, tibia. Explanation. The tibia is often called the shin bone and is the larger of the two lower leg bones. Which bone is often called the collarbone? Option A, B, C and D. The correct answer is option A, clavicle bone. Clavicle bone is called collarbone. Explanation. The clavicle is commonly referred to as the collarbone. The bone that forms the upper arm is the option A, B, C and D. The correct answer is option C, humerus bone. Humerus bone forms the upper arm. Explanation. The humerus is the bone of the upper arm. The vertebral column is made of how many vertebrae in adults? Option A, B, C and D. Correct answer is option B, 33 vertebrae. Explanation. The vertebral column in adults consists of 33 vertebrae, including 24 presacral vertebrae. Which part of the skull allows the jaw to move for chewing and talking? Option A, B, C and D. Correct answer is option C, mandible bone. Explanation. The mandible or jawbone allows for jaw movement during activities like chewing and talking.